Oh yeah, that was easier than I thought. It's actually hinged on the connector, and this should just slide off. Yeah, just like that. You can see the injector is already quite loose. So the moment we've been all waiting for. Ooh, that's crusty. Let's have a look. Wow. Oh, I hope these used ones are better. So let's see if we can find point numbers. What? So someone has been in here already before. 106, 7056, AZ. Yeah, that seemed to match. This. Really? Hold on. Okay. So I'm guessing these are serial numbers rather than part numbers. So yeah, but this tells me someone has been in here already. And that looks crusty. Well, I can try the used stock that we got and see where that takes us, because it's gotta be better than this. Oh. Okay. Yeah. So one more thing, let's look at the cup. Oh, that looks awful. Looks nasty. So can I clean it out? What's this? Oh, is this? Is that sealant? What is this? That's weird.